Hi there, so I put up this on my community post and you chose B. Yes, you said I should teach you how to make B. Yes, looking at this, you can see that most people responded and said B. So we're going to be going down into that in today's video. But before then, I would like to welcome you if you're just joining me for the first time. This is the Craft and I'm Nkechi, and I'm here to show you lovely, gorgeous designs and how to make great looking fascinators. Alright then, so in my community post we are having a game week running from 19th to 26th of July, and so far a girl has won. She answered the right question and was the first, the only one. Then Gloria Makaba, I hope I got your spelling, your name, you got that. Now this is what we have up for today, so you better run to my community post. If you haven't subscribed, you won't be able to get that, so do subscribe and click the bell button. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so for this design you'll be making use of leftovers from feathers. Now this is those very long feathers. I cut out the feathers to use, and this was left over, and I'm going to be making use of it for this fascinator. Your molded fascinate, your molded heart. Yeah, I would drop the link on how to do that. Then this is your crinoline already bias, has been sewn round. I would also drop a link on how to do that. And this is a brooch design. We already have this class. The additional one was just the veils that I put and some feathers just to make it look unique and different. So the first thing we're going to do is to take our 27-inch crinoline and put on top of the molded fascinator. Now you're sewing it from where it joins, you know, the joining that you use to form the cap. We're going to be sewing it all around and ensuring it sits well on the base. When it sits well, it tends to cover the heart, the face, you know, very well, like you saw in the picture on the beginning of this video. Now please remember how to make the base, how to mold the base, how to make the crinoline cap, and how to sew the bias on the crinoline. The link will be in the description of this video because I have already done that in previous videos. So all I'm going to do is put the link in the description of this video, so you just need to go there and learn how to do it, and you'll be able to make this lovely looking fascinator. Keep watching and learning. If you have been on my community post and have been participating, please do let me know in the comment section below. Just tell me you are participating in the community post. And if you haven't, please do join. Thanks. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to attach this lovely cute brush design on the fascinator. Now this brush design, the basic on how to make it is actually in our brush class 3 in the Craft Academy. So you can click the reception link in the description of this video to join for more details. Now, so we're going to be sewing it like so on the fascinator, and I'm going to take uhu gum to glue it the sides. Keep watching and then we'll get there. If you're gaining value from this video so far, please do give me a thumbs up. Click that thumbs up button right below this video. Thank you. Okay, so that's the way I'm gluing all the petals of the rose down. Now the reason I'm doing that is so that it covers up all the sewing underneath this fascinator, and you have your fascinator looking neat and nice. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so now I placed the fascinator on the mannequin head so that I would know exactly where to place the feathers. And all I'm going to use my wool gum on the feathers and clip them into position. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so now I use the same bridal satin I used to make the base of this fascinator, to cover rather the fascinator, to use and cover also the back, and that's our lovely crinoline fascinator looking lovely. Thank you for watching.